Alright, I am filming and I'm just capturing this. I am filming in 720 at 60 frames. Just to see how clear it is. I'm experimenting with different frames and clarity. It's a storm coming.
Hey guys!
Alright, let's try the next one. Hang on, there's Abby.
We're fixing to hit the balls.
Alright, let's try the next one. Alright, this is 1080 at 60 frames. This is what I usually shoot the ball games in. And there's Abby.
And we're fixing to hit the ball.
Okay, and there's the clouds again. Alright, let's go up to the next frame. Alright, this is 2.7K at 60 frames. There's the clouds. And I have shot the ball games with this. And there's Abby.
I need a picture!
Alright.
Stop!
She was gonna knock the car window out. Alright, let's try. Ah! That felt good. Alright, this is 4K at 60 frames.
Ow! What?
And there's the clouds. Okay, just wanted to see what it looked like. Alright, go back in the edit now.